Hey, we wanted to show you what Poly 90 does to an area of stained concrete. This is a bare area of stained concrete, an older one actually, but it works great on new too. And Poly 90 is a true two-component coating product with high degree of sheen and durability. It's a great coating product. So if you want a stained concrete floor that has this depth and sheen and durability, it's a great product to use. So we want to show you what it does. You know, typically you can dip and roll it, meaning dip and roll out of a pan, or you can pour it on the floor, squeegee it with a flat squeegee like this one. Flat squeegee has some flexibility to it, but it's flat. Or, and then you back roll it when you do that. So it's just a little area, obviously. We've got some mixed up. It's a one-to-one product. This has been mixed up for a while. It's got great bucket life. It's very low VOC, meaning, you know, it doesn't have odors that drive you crazy. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit out. Again, typically you'd want to squeegee it, back roll it, or just roll it out of a pan. But I'll show you right here. And then what we'll do is we'll let this dry, and we'll show you the after. The other thing is, you notice that bucket life that I was talking about. The dry time of it is awesome. Once you get it on the floor, it really kicks over, and it's gonna, you know, be able to be walked on later on in the day. So that's why a lot of people use it. Quick return to service, high degree of durability. So wow, look at the color that it brings out with that stained concrete. Really adds a lot of depth to it. This is our water-based stain, actually. It's our Enviro stain. Water-based stain, Poly 90 top coat. It's got a great look to it. So we'll come back. We'll show you what it looks like later. It's not going to look any different, actually. It doesn't matte down when it dries. It's going to look glossy like that. But we'll show you.